Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 2.5. This is week number 1 of our June session of classes. Thanks for joining us. Let's take a look here because we started with the set it up for the followers in their swing out.
That's right, followers. We put an extra little open moment in our swing outs to get an extra swivel in there. So if you watch once, it looks like triple step, twist, twist, or that would be 7 and 8, 1, 2.
That's right. So in the swing out, that might look like
Rock step, triple step, 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 to the left, right, left, triple step, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2.
That was clearly awesome.
Clearly.
Okay. So then we had this circle into the jive kicks. So we went step, step, triple step, 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 back it up, back, back, kick, step, rock step, kick, step, tuck, turn, rock step, kick, step, rock step, kick, step, and there it is. We could put that jive kicking rhythm into our tuck turn as well as our trade sides, and we did play around with the shape of the jive kick. That's week number 1.
Nice.
Thanks for joining us.